stock exhaust. Alright, so this is the stock exhaust, and there's the cutout over there. I'm gonna have this swapped out with the Raptor stock exhaust today, so this is what it sounds like. Here's the Raptor exhaust. I paid $100 for that, the whole thing. Got the resonator, but I took it off, and then I bought this pipe from Summit Racing, 3-inch. And the pipe on the truck is 2.75. Alright, so it's on. And all the bolts and all that stuff line up. This is a super cabs with 6.5 feet bed. Oh. So there it is. So it's still a 3-inch pipe, and they made the coupling, so. That's good.